In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Notion page link. So for example, this is the page of which the link I want to share to somebody. Now I have written important things over here, let's suppose, and I want to share it. To share it, what I can do is just go here and click on the copy link button. And I can just share this link. But as you can see, it says link copied, but only you can open it. Give access to people before sharing. So to do this, just click here on give access. And then you can type in the group name or the email. If there are multiple, just make sure to separate by commas. And after that, you can select all the person and give them moderate access, can edit, can comment, or just give them full access. You can also invite people. Only people invited will be able to see it. Or you can just click on anyone on the web with the link and see it. Then you can just go ahead and copy the link and give it to anyone, and anybody will be able to see it. Or you can just publish it as a website on Notion. Then anybody else will also be able to see it. Also, if you click on share, the same thing opens up. You just don't have to copy it from the first place. And basically, that is it. And basically, that is how to share a Notion page link. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.